All right, today we're going to be changing a fabric on an electric, taking off a vinyl fabric and replacing it with an acrylic with a metal shield. First thing you're going to want to do is measure and make sure you have the right size awning. 14-footer. Good deal. Then what you're going to do for this particular awning is roll the awning in almost all the way so you can secure the arms and drop the roller tube. Usually about a foot out is good. Pulling the screws out, you want to kind of hold the roller and the cap at the same time so it don't end up coming off before you're ready to lower it to the ground. There's set screws in the roller tube. All right, now we're going to be sliding the new canopy and slats. Before sliding the roller tube in, you're going to want to take a little file. Sticking out, you're going to want to trim that. And you put set screws in your roller. And then at the end, we're going to put set screws in the rail up there. That way the canopy will always roll out and roll in correctly, be square. What you're going to want to do is stretch it the other way and put the set screw over there as well. Roll it all the way up, back to the position it was in before you took it off. We're going to be connecting it to the roller tube. When you connect this to the roller tube, on the caps there's these slots. Same slots that are on the roller tube. This one has 3. You're going to want to line those up. I suggest rivets because all the ones that use screws, going down the road and after years of use, the screws will back out, resulting in some damage to the rest of your awning.